As far as the clerk's office, we really don't have many big issues. There are a few issues that need to be addressed, such as our older records that are in the basement. They're deteriorating. They need to be, I believe personally, they need to be sent to the state archives so that they can be preserved for years to come, because they are literally deteriorating.
I think one of the biggest issues that the clerk's office can tackle is making sure people understand their rights. I think one of the issues that we've had over the years is that people don't really understand what they can do and what they can't. They don't understand how to get into the court and before a judge. They feel like they have to hire an attorney for everything, and that can increase costs for individuals who are already struggling financially. But at the same time, if they're being turned away or they don't know how to access the court, it can leave them in a situation where they're not able to provide for their families, or they're losing money, or they've been harmed and they have no recourse. So from the clerk's perspective, providing information to people, that's the most important thing I can do.
Well, I think in this particular office, it's probably the technology side. Government's not good at technology. We're sort of slow in that. The business sector, this sector, knows that either you go fast with public service and technology for the public, or you're out of business and somebody else will take over. But government is sort of forces you to say, this is how you're going to do. Real quickly, I've been trying to push for several years to try to have e-books for our students in our universities. Our hardback books cost hundreds of dollars, and we're forcing that. I wasn't trying to make it where you have to have e-books, but the student ought to have a choice of e-books and the technology side. We finally passed that, and with that comes a savings of millions of dollars for our students in our universities. That's so the technology, but we're still lacking in technology, especially in the clerk of court's office. And the second part of that is, without technology and trying to move technology and move it faster, and trying to save dollars, those court costs continue to rise. In some cases, the court costs have gotten so high that it's not allowing certain people to be a part of the court system.